I'm filming.
Are you on?
Yep.
Yeah. What was that?
Attention, please.
Like, oh, okay, that means come over, huh? Yeah. Oh, you did good. That means come over. Yeah. Okay. They wanted some loud noise, and it's like, he was like, okay, come over, right?
Nope, you're gonna ignore you.
Okay, that's good.